guys, welcome to today's Just the Tip, where we are going to be installing the Bantam by SPOD on the 2018 JLU Wrangler. So this is everything you need for the install. You're going to want a wire cutter, flathead screwdriver, zip ties, electrical tape just in case. You're going to need your Jeep tool kit, a wrench with a 13, and you're going to need a double-sided adhesive. The other option is to screw the Bantam down, but we're going to do this because I'd rather not have screws sticking down into my fuse box. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get all the smuts off of the top of the fuse box. So then the next step, we're going to take our Bantam, okay, and we're going to put 2 pieces of adhesive on either side, and that's going to go on top of the fuse box over there. Press down. Make sure it's nice and stuck. You want to make sure when you rest the SPOD on the fuse box, one thing to keep in mind is that you might eventually use 2 of these. So don't put it in the center. You want to put it to the left or to the right, because that way you'll have room for 1, 2, maybe even 3 in the future, depending on how much stuff you're going to hook up. We're going to put this on the left side. Make sure that the logo for the SPOD is right side up, and we are going to press down, hold it down for a bit. Your other adhesive may catch a little bit quicker, and that will be part 1. The next piece we will use is going to be from the Jeep tool kit. I'm going to use these to lower the windshield. If you have a buddy, have your buddy hold the windshield while you run the Ethernet cable for the SPOD. What we're gonna do is the lazy way. I've got these 2 lights right here. They're gonna sit right like there. But what you need access to is this area right here. The other thing that SPODs recommends you do is you put 1 bolt back in here. Don't have to go too tight. And then what you do is take something like that, pull it back, and this is another way you can do it. You see how I have the bungee cable set up, holding onto the nut, just to be sure that nothing moves and you're not having it rest on your nice expensive pod lights. So now that we have it plugged into the back, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run it right down here, keep it under this flap. Okay, so you can see that now. And I'm gonna give that just a little tug at the end, just to make sure it's nice and loose. And then we are gonna run this down through the cowl. So last step, once you wire the positive, negative, always do the positive before the negative, just in case you don't know. Once you get your lights, your fridge, whatever, mounted up, you've got aux 1, 2, 3, and 4 running into input 1, 2, 3, and 4 on here, if that was an option on your JL Wrangler. If not, don't worry about this area at all. Last step is to plug the Bantam unit in, and then move on to the inside of the vehicle, and you will already see the unit is on.